Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Mobile Facilities by RealPage app is and how it's positioned. Mobile Facilities by RealPage is a mobile productivity app developed by RealPage Incorporated, designed to support property managers and maintenance technicians working with the OneSite Facilities Plus system. The app connects to OneSite software used at tens of thousands of sites, allowing users to access property and unit data on the go without repeated trips back to the office. With this app, maintenance and inspection tasks can be created, logged, and completed directly from a mobile device, including move-in, move-out, and preventative maintenance inspections. Users can take and attach photos to inspections and service requests to document work performed or issues that need attention. It also lets users create and manage service requests, track make-ready progress, and manage turn caddies for workflow coordination. The description notes that you must have a OneSite account through your property management organization to use the app's full features. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. This app may be useful for property maintenance teams who want a mobile way to handle inspections, track service work, and access unit information on the go. For teams working with multifamily, affordable, student, senior, or military housing managed through OneSite, this could be an option. The app may provide real-time sync and task updates, but real-world performance and stability can vary widely depending on network conditions and software setup. This is not confirmed and should be considered a potential cause. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.